Here's a game changer for your small space, a DIY Murphy bed. So, how do you build a Murphy bed? Follow these simple steps and you'll have more room in no time. First, gather your materials: plywood, screws, hinges, a bed frame, and a mattress. Got 'em? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Measure and cut your plywood to create the bed frame and cabinet. Make sure everything fits snugly. Step 2. Assemble the bed frame using screws. It should look like a simple box. Easy, right? Step 3. Attach the hinges to the top of the bed frame and the back of the cabinet. This is what makes your bed fold away. Step 4. Secure the cabinet to the wall studs. Safety first, we don't want any accidents. Step 5. Attach the bed frame to the cabinet using the hinges. This is where things start coming together. Step 6. Place your mattress on the bed frame. Voila! You've got yourself a Murphy bed. Now fold it up and admire all that extra space. See? Building a Murphy bed isn't so tough. With a little effort, you can transform your apartment into a multifunctional masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space-saving tips. Happy building!